In today's tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can separate full name in Microsoft Excel. For this, we are selecting some name. First of all, we are going to select all the names. Then here you can see a tab that is data. Go there. Then text to column. Then select delimiter. Then next. Here is an option space because our full name is separated with a space. Here you can see that William Johnson is separated with a space. Then click next. Then we are going to select the cell in which cell we are going to put this data. For this we are selecting this. And this is our cell, so we are selecting this. Then click here again and finish. Then OK. Look, your name has been separated with first name and last name. Here there is another way you can separate full name. We are clearing these cells. You can see that there is the first name is William, so we are writing this WILLIAM, William. Click OK. Here enter Ctrl plus E. Look, this is magic. For last name we are inputting Johnson. Come to the next cell and click Ctrl plus E. That's a magic. This is how you can separate full name within first name and last name in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.